Hi, my name is Dr. Ooi Lai Hock. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I'm a consultant and medical director of Island Orthopaedic Consultants Private Limited. My specialty is orthopedic surgery, and my subspecialty is knee surgery as well as foot and ankle surgery. With regards to knee surgery, I see problems such as cartilage injuries, ligament injuries, as well as meniscus injuries. There's also patients with osteoarthritis of the knee, which I do treat. With regards to foot and ankle surgery, the most common injury that I would do see is the ankle sprain injury. But there are other conditions such as bunions, as well as heel pain, such as plantar fasciitis, which I do treat as well. I chose to become a doctor because I wanted to help people. The feeling that I get from helping people is truly fulfilling, and the immense satisfaction you do get from it when you see a patient smile, when you get the treatment and diagnosis right, is really fulfilling. The most challenging moment in my life, or moments in my life, is to turn up to work every day and giving the best to my patients each and every day so that they receive the right treatment. The proudest moment of my life as a doctor is every time I receive a thank you card from my patients, as well as to see the smiles on their faces when they are happy with the treatment that I've given them. The quote that I live by as a doctor is to empower my patients with the right choices for the treatment that they will receive by me, so that they will receive the right type of treatment.